Hello my friends, it's Nina and we're going to play with some makeup today. I am going to try to do a moonchild inspired makeup look. The title is obviously a reference to a song that Namjoon has called Moonchild. This look that I have right now is also inspired by that one iconic look that Namjoon had with that diamond choker, one of my all-time favorite looks on him. And I thought that this would capture the whole moonchild theme. There's a lyric in the song that goes like, "Moonchild, don't cry, when moon rise, it's your time." And look at these earrings, they look like little teardrops. So for this makeup look, I'm going for an iridescent kind of look. Also going to maybe add some teardrops to my face. And also to go with this look, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be using the Sailor Moon ColourPop collection. So I got this PR package from ColourPop a while ago, and I actually showed the collection on my Instagram story. I have not yet been able to play with these, but now is the perfect opportunity. But without further ado, let's play with some makeup. So because I'm basically playing with makeup, I don't really know what I'm doing. I don't have a plan. I never really do. I am also not going to just let my hair down. I'm going to put them into space buns because we're moon children. Space buns are appropriate. I also never really do anything with my hair, so I thought space buns would be fun to do. I'm going to part my hair. I'm kind of too lazy to do a perfect middle part because this is more of a middle part. I'm just going to leave it. This is kind of inspired by Sugi in the Psycho music video. The aesthetics of that music video is so good. She's wearing these kind of space buns, but they kind of look braided sometimes as well. I'm not doing that. I don't have the patience for that. We're going to kind of put them up high, like over here. If you put them kind of behind your head, they disappear. You kind of get the point of what I'm doing. So I'm going to use the mirror because I can't see what I'm doing. We have one down, and then we're going to do this side. And because I didn't perfectly part my hair, it feels like there's a lot of hair here. That is completely fine. I might have to tease my hair here. Wow, that part is not that great. I'm feeling the back of my head. And that is it for this makeup look. I'm going to kind of fluff this area a little bit. We're going to kind of twist our hair and then make them into messy little buns. We're going to secure it with bobby pins anyway. You can also kind of pull hairs here. So these are the only bobby pins I have, and they're not my hair color. I don't know why I chose this hair color. I got these a long time ago. I feel like I assumed that my hair was brown. My hair has never been brown. Okay, so not bad. They are on. Okay, so now that we've done our hair, we can finally move on to the makeup. I will start with just my regular face makeup routine. I'm going to use the Peach Glow Makeup Base. This is a primer. I'm going to put it on my fingers and I'm going to spread it all over my face. Already washed up and moisturized and all that. Just everywhere. Now that we've got our primer on, I'm going to put on my regular BB cream. This is the Klairs Illuminating Supple Blemish Cream. I'm gonna just put it just like that. I'm going to put this all over. Let's go. My eczema flared up again, so it's all over my face. That's okay though. Apparently it just stays with you. Sometimes it disappears and then flares up. So I've kind of gotten used to it by now. Just stay moisturized and use ointment. I have a prescription ointment. All nicely blended, I think. This is the Sem Ideal Concealer Duo in Clear Beige. I'm gonna take the liquid end and put it wherever I need to. Now I'm going to blend this. I'm hoping to put on much more shadow and blush this time. I always, got it on my baby hair. I always kind of go lightly because I don't want to put too much, but I really want to have fun with this look, so I'll try my best. I'm always really pale. I have the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. There we go. I'm going to just brush it out a little bit. Then we're going to brush out the pencil. There we go. I also realized that this look that I have here also reminds me of Sun from ATEEZ during their Star 1117 performance. I feel like this is just a common K-pop concept look. We have one brow, the next, going in with my left hand, ambidextrous things. There we have our brows, and we can actually get into the makeup now. So I think I'm going to start with the eyeshadow. This is the Sailor Moon ColourPop eyeshadow palette. It's called Pretty Guardian, and here it is. It has 12 colors. These colors are so lovely. purpley. These are very fun spring colors, I think, which is perfect because it's March now. I guess I'll show you the other makeup as well. We've got 2 blushes, and look at the packaging. Do you see that? It's holographic. So this one is called Cat's Eye. It's just a touch shimmery. I feel like for this look, I want to go really heavy with the blush. And then this is called From the Moon, and this one is very shimmery. I'm going to put sparkly stuff on my face anyway, on my cheeks, so I don't want to have really shimmery blush everywhere. Then we have these body glitters. This one is a nice pink color. It's called Moonlight Legend. I think I'm going to put this on my eyes. This is technically body glitter, but let's put it on our face anyway. And then this one is called Moon Prism Power. It's a nice iridescent purple. I swatched these on my Instagram and they're not super purple or super pink. They're just very slight. I feel like I'm going to put that around here maybe. And then finally, I think this is the last thing. There were lip bundles. So one lip bundle was this ultra blotted lip. So this is kind of like in Korean makeup or in Korean beauty, people tend to blot their lips, so it's a very slight color. That's, I think, the formula for this. This is called Bunhead. It's this nice pink color. And then it came with this ultra glossy lip. This one's called Sailor Moon. Nice and shimmery. I'm going to put this on my lip and then this on top. And then we also have another option. I swatched all these too. This is another ultra blotted lip. It's called Usagi. This one has a touch more red to it than this one. This is like a cooler pink. I'm going to use Sailor Moon. And then the ultra glossy lip is a much lighter color. This is like peachy. This is called Moon Tiara. So now we can get started. I might also put some face gems if we have time. I'll start with the yellow first and just start in my inner corner and then just work my way towards the outside with an eyeshadow brush. I took some yellow. Here we go. I'm going to put it on the inner corner. Do you see it? There she is. Wow. It looks slight on camera, but it's very strong in real life. The yellow shade is called Justice. The pigment is really great. You see the yellow? Raise it up a little bit. So purple and yellow are complementary colors. That's why I chose this yellow color. Then we're going to go purple as we go. Kind of blend it out. Bring it up. There we have our yellow. I'm going to just go in with the purple. Don't be shy. I use pink a lot. I feel like I'm going to just put a little bit of pink first and then purple because we can't go back. I'm going to add Tuxedo Rose. It's this, wow, it's a really strong pink color. I'm gonna tap it. Wow. And I'm going to just kind of go in the inner. Oh, that's nice. Oh, yes. Okay. Yes. The pigment is so strong. I'm going to kind of put it here as well. It blends really nicely with the yellow. This will be a good base. And then we're going to put purple over this. Raise it up high. I'm gonna take a nice blendy brush, blend it into the yellow. And then on top of the pink, I'm going to put on purple. Purple. If anything changed, my battery died. Now I'm going to put on Miracle Romance, this purple color. I don't really go for purple ever in my makeup, so I'm excited to use this. Here we go. This is basically gonna go all over the lid. Just have fun with it. Wow. Even blended to the yellow. Fantastic. I'm bringing it up kind of to my brow bone. So this is a matte shadow. This is going to be our base. Make sure it's visible. And then I'm going to place this on the bottom. I also brought the yellow over here as well. Now I'm going to take a blending brush, if I can find it. I'm going to bring this up. This purple is kind of pinkish. So we have our purplish, pinkish, yellow base. And on top of this, I'm going to add the purplish shimmery color. It's called Luna, and it's a cooler purple. So I'm going to go for it. That is so nice. I'm going to put it basically all over my lid just because we're going all out. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, that looks so good on the purple. I'm going to put a lot of this on. Do you see the difference between having it and not having it? Wow. So I'm going to kind of blend it into the yellow. We don't really want any mattes showing with this look. We want to shine because moon child, you shine. And then with my eyeshadow brush, I'm going to take Luna and put it on the bottom lid, bottom lash line, put it here as well. Oh, this is so lovely. And then I think I'm going to take Silver Crystal. It's like a looser shimmer. It's like a rose gold kind of color. I'm going to take this on my finger and put it on the center of my lid. I'm going to kind of blend it out, bring it up. And then with my eyeshadow brush, I'm going to take silver crystal again and put it on the inner corner. I'm going to put this in the inner corner, blend it up slightly. I'm going to cheat just a little bit. I'm going to just take my ColourPop Bare Necessities palette. I'm going to just use a dark brown to line my eyes just because I want a little bit of shape with my eye. I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to line my eyes. I will take Taboo. It's just a dark brown. Just line my eyes slightly. There we go. So I'm going to put on blush now. I'm going to take Cat's Eye. I'm going to take my blush brush and we're going to have fun. Here we go. Should I set my face with powder? I mean, why not? I'll set my face first. With my ColourPop No Filter Sheer Pressed Powder in Fair, I'm gonna set my face first before I put on this blush. Okay, now that we've set our face, I'm going to put on hopefully a lot of blush. Here is the blush. I also don't know how strong this is actually. What if I just put a lot? I need to be able to blend this out. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, it's really slight actually. Okay, here we go. I'm going to kind of blend it upwards, you know? Okay, there we go. I'm gonna kind of blend it into the eye makeup. There it is. Goodbye to my plain cheek. Kind of blend it into your eyeshadow a little bit. I'm gonna put it on my nose. Why not? There it is. I think that's good for now. I'm going to put on my lip just because nothing's happening down here. I'm gonna take Bunhead. It's a nice cool pink. Gonna blot this on. Ooh, it goes well with the whole colors going on. Okay, now we're going to blot it out. That is a nice pink. Now I'm going to take Sailor Moon. It's the gloss and I'm going to put it on top of this matte sort of lip. It's like a nice peachy gloss. I'm gonna put it like in the center. It smells sweet. Glossy. Oh, actually, I might put some eyeshadow on my brows, just under. I'm going to put silver crystal again, but on my brow bone. Yes, there we go. This also kind of helps to brighten up my face a little bit. Just nothing was happening under my brow, so I'm gonna add this as a sort of highlight. Gonna add silver crystal to the inside here. I'm going to take Luna and put it on the tip of my nose. Once I put that body glitter on, it'll all make sense. So I basically brought the purple down to my nose as well to balance everything out. Now I'm going to take Moonlight Legend and put it on the center of my eyelid. Here we go. Make sure this doesn't get in your eyeballs. And then I'm going to just place it on. You've got a galaxy on your eyelid. Can you see it? There it is. This literally just comes off your finger. Wow, okay. This is so pretty. Moonchild. Onto the next eye. You literally are putting a galaxy on your face. Take some more on my finger, kind of drag it out onto your temples. There it is. So next we're going to use Moon Prism Power, and this has little tiny stars and moon shapes as well. The other one has just, yeah, it's only circles. This one has actual shapes to it, so I thought this would be nice on my cheeks because I feel like it would have been too heavy here. I would have literal tiny moons and stars on my eyelid. They would probably fall into my eyeballs. That's another thing. Proceed with caution. Do you see those colors? I'm gonna take it on my finger. This is going to act as sort of a highlight, so we're going to bring it up. Here we go, here we go. Be kind of careful about this. Make sure you don't wipe your blush off. Kind of pat it on. Wow. I don't know how I'm going to wash this off. I'm going to put a tiny bit just above my lip. I'm gonna put a tiny bit of this gloss. It's the Moon Tiara one. I'm going to put it just on the center. I'm gonna put on mascara. And then I think I'm just going to, for fun, add some gems on my face. Here's a little teardrop. I'm going to put this under my eye here. With some eyelash glue, I'm going to apply this on the bottom of my right eye. There we go. Now I'm going to bring the, oh my god, I just put glitter in my hair. So just gently bring your hairs down to frame your face. So this pretty much turned out the way I hoped. Thank goodness. I can't really smile either or else this will fall off. But this is the final look. Now you embody a moonchild. So that is it for this makeup video. I love this collection. Currently these are sold out, so hopefully you enjoyed this video anyway. I had a lot of fun creating this look. I hope you enjoyed watching me play with makeup. Now it is time for me to go back up to the moon. That is it for this video and I will see you in my next one. Let's bring it in as always. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Goodbye my friends.